Hello folks, this is Lisa and now exploring Japan. We're still exploring Japan here. Where we at, Lisa?
Irori Sanzoku.
Oh, yeah, this is, I'll call it Iwakuni Chicken Shack. We're here in January and it was rainy that time, remember that? Right?
Yes, I remember that.
It was during nighttime also. So we just came from Hagi, passed by Hagi, and we're going, Lisa's hungry for some chicken and a big old rice bowl, right? So this less people here tonight, this afternoon. During nighttime, it's pretty busy.
Yes, right.
Right? So, not busy. So we're gonna walk around a little bit and we're gonna get something for Lisa for her little tummy. Lisa, let's walk. Let's take a little walk inside.
Yes, let's
Okay,
go.
let's go. I know Lisa want to eat some chicken, but not yet. Let's go walk around first. Show everybody in the world about this place here.
Yes.
Right? Let's go straight first. Let's go walk straight. Look at this. It's nice, right?
Nice.
Beautiful. Yeah, right? Here's a map right here. Here's a map right here. Right? There's the parking spot right there. Alright? Let's go this way. Look at the trees here too. Look at the trees here. Let's see what's over here.
I think there is temple.
Temple? Okay, let's take a look back here.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, look at that. Look at the trees here. Wow. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, look at this. It's cool here. It's the trees.
Yes.
Right? Oh, look at this. Look at that. What's there? I don't know. Look at those red things there. Temple here. Let's go. Watch out, Lisa. I might fall down, not you. Lisa, don't push me. Don't push me into the river. Hey, I know you want to go swimming, but not yet. Let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, right here. This is it. Right here. A lot of rocks. I gotta be careful. I might fall down. Oh my God. Oh, look at this. Oh. Nice, right? Yes, here. Oh, this is nice. Right? Beautiful here. Oh, look at here. Look. Look, Lisa. Like a river, yeah. Like a creek. Pretty cool, huh? Clear, right? Let's go this way, this way, this way. Let's go this way. It's really nice. try this one. Oh, look at this. Okay, here's the store here. Let's go this way, Lisa. This way, Lisa. Not too many people here, right? That's good, right? We can sit down and have. We came on a Sunday night. It was kind of raining and cold.
Crowded.
Right? We're crowded. Let's walk this way. This way. Remember, we ate here. Oh, look at this. Look.
Gorgeous.
Look at goldfish, right? Look. We want some food. Look, we want some food.
Big.
That's a big one, right? You want that one? For your dinner?
Yeah.
You want that one?
Yeah.
You want to catch it?
Dinner.
Yeah, you are
Fishing.
fishing, right? Yes, it's morning in lake. Pond. Let's go this way. Here's a store. Oh, look at the waterfall. Lisa, waterfall, Lisa. Waterfall. Come this way. Look. That's nice, huh? Oh, look at that. I can take a nap there. Can you? Okay, keep watching. And we're going. I think this is the place we ate last time. Right here. Correct? Was this place? Yeah, that's the place, right? Oh, this is the end of the road. Oh, that's going to the back. I'm sorry. So, folks, we're gonna order some food now. Lisa's hungry. She's kicking me in my rear. She's kicking me. Lisa's kicking me. You kick. Since she's hungry. Okay, so see you guys in the table. See what we'll order. Okay. See you soon.
私もよろしいですか？
はい、ちょっと、はい、伺います。
おむすびを2つと、
おむすびを2つ、はい。
あと山賊焼きを2つ、
山賊焼き2つ、はい。
あとコーラ1つ、
コーラ1つ、はい。
以上で。
山賊結びが2つ、山賊焼きが2つ、コーラ1つですね。
あ、はい。
はい、以上ですね。
はい。
お待ちください。はい。
These are ordered food. Folks, we're back. This is a restaurant we're going to be eating right now. Lisa and I. Look at this. It's beautiful inside. Right, Lisa? Look at this. Classic style, right? You hungry?
Yes, hungry. Little bit.
Little, okay. A little bit? Let's cancel.
What? I don't want to cancel.
Okay. I knew it. She want to come here. Okay, folks. We'll show you later. There's the kitchen right there. Lisa is hungry and hungry. Okay, I'm hungry too. See you guys soon. Folks, this is Lisa and Alex from Japan. Lisa is eating before I eat. She's so funny. She's
fast.
so fast, so hungry. Look at this. It's mine. This is hers. She's so hungry. She can't wait. I tried to wait 2 minutes. She's almost finished. She's so funny. She's so cute. Bye. Talk to you later, folks. She's so funny. Folks, we finished eating, but I didn't eat my chicken. I turned around. Lisa stole my chicken. Look, she ate my chicken.
I didn't steal.
She's so hungry. I was hungry. She got 2 chickens from me. She stole it from me. I was hungry. Yes, she did. I turned around, she grabbed it, and she started eating my chicken.
I didn't.
Yes, she did. She got 2 chickens here. She stole them from me. But I ate my rice. I had my big rice bowl. But she stole my chicken. Oh my God. Lisa, why you stole my chicken? I was so hungry.
I didn't steal it.
It's like, Lisa, no, JR, this Lisa.
Yeah.
Exploring Japan. See you guys soon. Folks, this is our closing video. We had a good lunch. How you like your lunch, Lisa?
I like it.
You like it?
Delicious.
You like the big rice bowl
And the chicken.
and chicken? She ate my chicken. But you were so hungry, you ate my chicken too.
I didn't eat your chicken.
Yes, you did.
I didn't.
Okay. Okay, she didn't. I believe her. Folks, this is the end of this video here. I love that. This is a real fantastic place to come. You should come visit sometime here. What do you call this place again?
Sanzoku, yes.
It's in Iwakuni, Yamaguchi-ken, right?
Yes, Yamaguchi-ken. Sanzoku.
Okay. Well, folks, this is it. Right, Lisa? 1, 2, 3. Enjoy life. Bye.